Red light runner. And don't do that. Oh, thank you. Exit dive, exit regret. Get off my ass. UnitedBrokersWorld.com. Toyota, direct to the left lane, Toyota. Not supposed to be in this lane, you fuckbag. J&M transfer. Exeter, Rhode Island. Come on. Go. Stop sign. I'm not here, lady, no problem. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Use your blinker, dum-dum. Get in your lane, dum-dum. Paint those lines for a reason. Castro distribution. U-turn fail. We're in the red. Did any of you stop? Hey, stop sign and put down the phone and all that kind of crap. Yellow. Red. Oh, there's one. Guess that was he is. Because Lexus. You want to make an effort to go? No. No. Do we hold up a Toyota? Toyota. Thanks, AB. And dive left, right? Can you get any closer to him or what? Do that. Yep.
Anytime you're in Massachusetts, the State Department
Good move, asshole. Stop! Stop! Range Rover and a Toyota turd. I'm wanting you to move a little faster. Oh, is this an exit dive? That's an exit dive. Left. Why is your blinker on, you shithead? The pathway of teardrops will show you the way. If you looks like we have a little bonk action. Anything new? Oh, shit. Oh, man. Stop. 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 Looks the same. Shut off your high beams in the middle of the fucking day. What? Turn a rush. Zoom! Holy Christ. 7RG196. Thank you. Oh, another one. Here we go. Howdy ho, BMW douche. 6AF 682. Well, guess you're held up here a little bit, ain't you? To the left lane. Exit dive.